First question, which is the role of your region in the entire congregation?
I am Father Joseph Nguyen, who's grew up in Vietnam. This moment, I'm the region for East Asia, Oceania. East Asia, Oceania region covers 21 countries, which has existed in 8 provinces and 4 vice provinces. There are about 1,454 conferences and 174 Salesian communities.
Which are the activities that mainly Salesians realize in this area?
The Salesians arrived in East Asia, Oceania 100 years ago, but there are some provinces very new, like just a few years ago in country like Malaysia. We have many works which are different from country to country. Some very traditional, like technical schools, some parishes, some oratories, but some other very new, like youth center, which focus upon counseling for the young who drop out school or who have problems with the family. So, however, one of the strength of Salesian is to helping the poor. The Salesian, the youth, poor youth in Asia, which are numerous. So technical schools is one of the very effective instruments or means for us to help the young people to have opportunity for life. And it works very well, and we are connecting things with one another with the Bosco Tech South Asia, and they help to update the technical tools, technical instruments, also methodology to help the young people. Other works like oratory, helping the young people after school program or basic education, also very effective to help people. And also another thing is that East Asia Oceania is evangelizing. Evangelization in Asia is very important because, you know, in many countries, Catholic Church is still a minority. Someone at 0.5% or 0.3%. Then that's why we need to focus also about evangelization. In this region, also the sense of mission is very strong. Every year we send out, like the last 5 years, we sent out 36 Adventist missionaries. Also we receive around 17. So giving, sending and receiving. So this is the nature of the congregation. Salesian congregation in this moment, all provinces need to send out also to receive missionaries.
What this chapter can give for the future of your region?
One of the characteristics of this joint chapter is the synodality. So we feel we are one family. We feel responsible to the whole congregation, to the whole world, especially the poor youth. So what can we learn from this? The synodality of the congregations. Also, when we talk about synodality, we work together on the issues of the world, not taking place only in Europe or in Western or Latin, but also are taking place in East Asia, Oceania. Also, our good practice in East Asia, Oceania can contribute to the joint chapter. So in these days, we communicate, we share, we exchange the perspectives, the good practice to one another. So we hope that the dream of Don Bosco will become true in this moment for the next 6 years. How we respond more to the needs of the young people.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.